And good morning, good morning. Welcome back, everyone. We are doing a follow-up video on Pepe. We have done plenty of videos on this asset on the past, so feel free to go and look in our YouTube channel for the other videos. Today's video is going to be fresh because of the fact that all my drawings and doodles got erased. So I will do them from scratch today. And yeah, if you go to the old video, you should see something very similar. Starting it off, we're here on the weekly time frame, but let me go to a monthly. And on the monthly, you could see that we are just about to hit this equal lows support around 72.96, aka it's a decent time to buy on a monthly. It's basically near the average. On a weekly, we're a little bit below the green EMA, which is also something that I like, because when you are under the EMAs, this is oversold situation. A reversion to the mean trade would bring us all the way back to 1400. So that is kind of what I'm going to be explaining, why I think this is a good buying opportunity for upside long run. While everyone else is panic selling, you could be on the opposite end and be okay with it and looking for accumulation. You did see bearish incline all the way into the lows, and that's why a little bit of green now will probably do a quick reversion to the mean trade into like 14,500 area, maybe in the next week or two. All right. Now, before we get started with the drawings, guys, if you haven't already, please leave a like, subscribe, press the thumb button for the channel so you get the notifications as they come out, the bell button. If you could thumbs up the video, I'd greatly appreciate it. If you have any questions or concerns, leave it in the comment section below, and I will get back to you in the next video. If you are interested in trading with me live, please feel free to join the Discord server. The link to the server is in the description of this video below, alongside all the other affiliate services that we use and recommend, like our MEXC link. Feel free to join and get the same rebates on fees that we do. Other than that, guys, if you are interested in any other asset, feel free to let me know on the comments below, and we'll get this kicked off. So, like I said, on the weekly, I already drew the fibs for us, so there are the fibs. And I want to basically point out why I think this is a good buying opportunity. First of all, the overbought condition has been negated, and now we are right back to where we broke out. Here was the fake head and shoulders that actually caused the short squeeze. So this is the head and shoulders that people thought, oh, it's going to make a measured move probably to this level over here. It never came down here, and it actually did a short squeeze straight on up, and it was a pretty epic short squeeze, because once you broke this level here, you started basically a distributional top, and then you did another head and shoulder over here. Okay, and here's your weak Quasimodo shoulder, here's your neckline, and then you did the measured move of this straight down. Remember, you hold shift and right from the neckline, and look where we're at right now. Okay, so we're basically at the level we expected price to come to anyway, and now we can use that as a buying opportunity to accumulate a position. Move this to the left because it's on the bar. There you go. So you can see we hit it perfectly, okay? You can see now this wick on the bottom is a potential buyer stepping up and defending this previous area. Now, this is why I was saying this is a good opportunity to long. Your stop loss underneath the wick, I want to say like 6,000, is reasonable stop loss to have if you want to attempt this long, okay? And this head and shoulder that you see here, it looks so ugly. Let's just go like this. And that is your new local top. This was your local bottom. And now what you're doing is you're making a massive head and shoulders. Do you see it? Massive head and shoulders. Now, that is the one thing that I will warn you about. Yes, we can get a reversion to the mean trade into this area. Okay, let me color this white. So yes, we can get a reversion to the mean trade into this area as I have depicted, but very likely we're going to have a very hard time getting above 17,400 because that is your major resistance. Also, that is the line to break if you do not want to form this head and shoulders. So if you find resistance in this area, very likely that we are going to play out that head and shoulders. So I'll make that as a warning. Very likely that we'll play out the head and shoulders, and you will basically round down here and basically, go to the next leg. If you would like a clearer picture, let me show you how I expect price action to play out. So you see the liquidity is right over here, okay? So we can go here, get a kickback, take out the liquidity one more time, fake everyone out, and then roll to the downside. This is something that is possible if Pepe is basically not gonna get love anymore in the next bull cycle, which I highly doubt because I do see a lot of people are uh, you know, in the background accumulating this. But I do think that whoever accumulated it, they did take their profits. And the risk of taking this long is basically you looking for higher than this, 17.3, and it not coming. If you take the long here right now, you see this 10,600 as major resistance. Once you claim this level, the next will be 14,200. So you only have this wiggle room of the trade in this range. In this range. Because you know that if it goes under 6,000, you could just take your stop loss over here. So, oh man, I recently learned of a better tool. Let me show you. So all of this, I'm going to just delete it all out of here. You can see that this is why I have this over here as resistance. And what I wanted to do was, what was I going to do? Oh, I was going to mark the trade. So this is how I would approach this. Oops. So this is how I would approach it. You have a 3.5 R&R, 3.5 R&R. If you enter here and now, and then you wait for the 1730 whatever, and your stop loss is basically right under that wick right there around 8,000. If you want to go to 6, you can. Over 6,000, but it's going to ruin your RR. It's going to go like 2 to 1 or whatever. I would just keep it this low because I wouldn't want to uh, basically guess if this is going to go lower or not. If this order block gets broken, I would just basically look for us to go lower. And how I would measure this order block. Yeah, I would just go like that. You even have your midline. So you know when you could get up. Oops. Okay, so you see your midline is actually acting as proper resistance already. Let me extend this out. Shift. So this is a very good way of looking at it. Let me click down to a daily. Here's your daily time frame. You can see why we're getting all that resistance right here, okay? Exactly at 10,600. So the point of the matter is you have to see if this can get accumulated over in this range, and this is how tight your trade would be. You only have to really manage it in this little range right there. Outside of that range, it's not gonna play out. And another thing is you have to see that you have higher lows here. So you are trying to make one of these triangle breakouts. And then what it will do is go like this kind of situation and then roll over if it wants to. So this is very, 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 very plausible, logical, likely, because all the liquidity down here got taken, so it could just float on up in a short squeeze fashion to like 14 to 15 and then roll on over. And that's how I'm looking at this moving forward, guys. If you have any questions or concerns, hit me in the comment section below. Don't forget, in the description of this video is the link to our Discord server, our Twitter video, our Twitter profile, and any other affiliate services that we use and recommend that helps this channel grow. So thank you guys so much for your love and support. And yeah, if I do not make a video tomorrow, it's because it's Valentine's Day and I will be trying to entertain my significant other. So I hope you all have a wonderful Valentine's Day. And yeah, if we all don't see each other, we'll see each other on Monday probably, because this weekend I'll probably be entertaining myself as well. So have a great holiday weekend, guys, and feel free to let me know in the comment section below what's the next video we should make. I was thinking Solana or another altcoin, but yeah, feel free to let me know and I'll make that video in the next one. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day and talk to you soon. Bye bye.